Hey there, tool enthusiasts. Are you tired of struggling with nuts and bolts that just won't budge? Have you ever found yourself in the middle of a project only to realize you don't have the right size wrench? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the world of adjustable wrenches, the versatile tools that can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. I've spent countless hours testing these tools in real-world situations, from basic home repairs to complex plumbing jobs, to bring you this comprehensive review of the 7 best adjustable wrenches on the market today. Let's get started. 7. Eleon Rhino Gland Nut Wrench. The Eleon Rhino Gland Nut Wrench is a specialized tool designed specifically for tightening or loosening gland nuts on machinery. It features a unique design with adjustable jaws and different sized pins that are meant to securely grip the gland nut. The set includes 2 wrenches, a large one with a range of 2 inches to 6 inches diameter, and a small one with a range of 1 inch to 3.75 inch diameter. When I first unboxed this tool, I was impressed by the professional appearance and the included accessories. 8 various sized pins, 4 hex wrenches, a pair of non-slip polymer gloves, a microfiber towel, and a detailed instruction manual. During my testing, I found that the Rhino wrench does provide good leverage for those tough-to-turn gland nuts. The square breaker bar slot is particularly useful when you need extra torque. The carbon steel construction with a rugged coating suggests durability, and the manufacturer backs it with a lifetime warranty. However, I noticed that the pins, despite having holes slots drilled into the sides to keep them in place, still tend to come loose during intense use. This can be frustrating when you're in the middle of a job and suddenly need to stop to find a tiny pin that's fallen somewhere in your workspace. Another aspect worth mentioning is the learning curve associated with this tool. Unlike standard adjustable wrenches that most people are familiar with, the Rhino wrench requires some time to understand how to properly position and secure it on different types of gland nuts. 6. ValueMax 2-piece strap wrench set. Next up is the ValueMax 2-piece strap wrench set, which offers a different approach to adjustable wrenches. Instead of traditional jaws, these wrenches use rubber straps to grip objects, making them ideal for working with delicate surfaces that might be damaged by metal tools. The set includes 2 wrenches, a large one capable of handling items up to 6 inches in diameter with a 25-inch strap, and a smaller one for items up to 4 inches with an 18-inch strap. The handles are made from a blend of nylon and thermoplastic rubber, designed to provide a comfortable grip. When I tested these wrenches on various household items, I found them particularly useful for tasks like removing stubborn jar lids and working with plumbing fixtures where I didn't want to mar the finish. The non-slip rubber straps do provide good grip on smooth surfaces, and the self-tightening mechanism works as advertised. The more force you apply, the tighter the strap grips. However, I noticed that on extremely slick surfaces, or when dealing with very high torque situations, the straps occasionally slip, requiring readjustment and multiple attempts to complete the task. The Comfort Grip handles do live up to their name, offering a secure hold that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The manufacturer claims the large wrench can handle up to 200 newtons of torque and the small one up to 90 newtons, which seems accurate based on my testing. Number 5. LIBRATON Strap Wrench Set. Moving up our list, we have the LIBRATON Strap Wrench Set, another 2-piece collection that utilizes the strap mechanism for gripping objects. Similar to the ValueMax set, this includes wrenches designed for different size ranges, but with some notable improvements. After spending considerable time with these tools, I've found them to be more reliable and durable than their lower-ranked counterparts. The LIBRATON set features high-quality rubber straps that provide exceptional grip on a variety of surfaces. Whether I was working with polished chrome bathroom fixtures or trying to loosen a stubborn oil filter, these wrenches maintain their hold impressively well. The self-tightening mechanism is smooth and responsive, increasing grip proportionally to the applied force without the slipping issues I experienced with the ValueMax set. This consistent performance saved me significant time and frustration during my testing period. What really sets the LIBRATON wrenches apart is the construction quality. The handles feature a more substantial, ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand even during extended use. The connection points between the straps and the metal components are reinforced, addressing the wear issues I noticed with lower-ranked models. After several months of regular use in various conditions, the straps showed minimal signs of wear, suggesting a much longer service life than I initially expected. The versatility of these wrenches is another strong point. I've successfully used them on pipes, fittings, jar lids, and even delicate decorative fixtures without causing any surface damage. 4. WORKPRO 2-piece adjustable wrench set. The WORKPRO 2-piece adjustable wrench set brings us back to the traditional jaw-style adjustable wrench design, but with some notable quality improvements over basic models. This set includes a 6-inch and a 10-inch wrench, which I've found to be the two most practical sizes for a wide range of household and automotive tasks. After extensive testing across various applications, I can confidently say these wrenches deliver excellent performance for their price point. The first thing I noticed when handling these wrenches was the quality of construction. Made from high-quality forged carbon steel, with heat treatment for durability, these tools have a substantial feel that inspires confidence. The black oxide finish not only looks professional, but also provides corrosion resistance, which I've found particularly valuable when working in damp environments like under sinks or outdoors. The smooth adjustment mechanism operates with precision, allowing for quick size changes without the wobbling or sticking that plagues cheaper wrenches. One of the standout features of the WORKPRO set is the extra-wide jaw design. This increased capacity allows these wrenches to handle larger nuts and bolts than similarly sized competitors. The 6-inch wrench opens to almost a full inch, while the 10-inch model can accommodate fittings up to 1.25 inches. 3. Holdley Plumbing Tools Angle Stop Wrench Kit. The Holdley Plumbing Tools Angle Stop Wrench Kit represents a significant step up in specialization and quality. This isn't just an adjustable wrench, it's a purpose-built tool designed specifically for plumbing applications, particularly for installing and removing compression angle stops. After using this kit extensively on several bathroom and kitchen renovation projects, I've been thoroughly impressed by its performance and time-saving capabilities. The kit's design reflects a deep understanding of the challenges plumbers face. The wrenches feature a slim profile that allows access to tight spaces behind sinks and toilets where standard wrenches simply won't fit. During my testing, this proved invaluable when working in cramped cabinet spaces where maneuvering room was severely limited. The precision-engineered heads fit perfectly on compression fittings, providing secure contact that prevents slipping and potential damage to both the fitting and surrounding fixtures. Construction quality is immediately apparent when handling these tools. Made from high tensile strength materials with corrosion-resistant finishing, they feel substantial and professional grade. The ergonomic handles provide excellent leverage while minimizing hand strain during extended use, a feature I particularly appreciated during a full day of installing new fixtures in a bathroom renovation. Even after applying significant torque to stubborn fittings, the tools showed no signs of stress or deformation, confirming their durability for professional-level use. What truly sets the Holdley kit apart is how dramatically it improves efficiency for plumbing tasks. Tasks that would have required awkward positioning and multiple attempts with standard wrenches became straightforward and quick. 2. LAISGOO Plumbing Tools. The LAISGOO Plumbing Tools kit secures the second position on our list with its exceptional combination of versatility, precision engineering, and professional-grade construction. Like the Holdley kit, this is a specialized tool set designed primarily for plumbing applications, but the LAISGOO offers some additional features and refinements that elevate it above its competitors. After using this kit extensively across multiple plumbing projects, I can confidently say it's one of the most impressive specialized wrench sets I've encountered. The standout feature of the LAISGOO kit is its versatility within the plumbing domain. The wrenches are designed to work with various sizes of angle stops and compression fittings, eliminating the need for multiple specialized tools. During my testing, I use this single kit to work on everything from standard sink supply lines to toilet valves and even some unusual European-style fixtures, all with equal effectiveness. The adjustable design accommodates different sizes while maintaining precise fit and secure grip, a balance that's difficult to achieve but executed brilliantly here. The engineering precision is immediately apparent in how these tools interface with plumbing fittings. The wrenches engage perfectly with compression nuts and angle stops, providing complete surface contact that distributes force evenly and prevents damage to the fittings. This level of precision also translates to better leverage and control, allowing me to apply significant torque when needed without the slippage that often occurs with less specialized tools. Even when working with older, corroded fittings that typically present challenges, the LAISGOO wrenches maintain their grip impressively. 1. WORKPRO 4-piece adjustable wrench set. Taking the top spot on our list is the WORKPRO 4-piece adjustable wrench set, a comprehensive collection that represents the perfect balance of versatility, quality, and value. This set includes 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch wrenches, covering virtually every size requirement you might encounter in home, automotive, or professional applications. After extensive testing across countless projects and applications, I can confidently declare this the most versatile and reliable adjustable wrench set available today. The construction quality of these wrenches is immediately apparent from the moment you pick them up. Made from high-quality forged carbon steel that's been heat-treated for exceptional durability, these tools have a substantial weight and solid feel that inspires confidence. The chrome-plated finish isn't just for aesthetics. It provides superior corrosion resistance that keeps these wrenches looking and performing like new, even after years of use in challenging environments. I've used these tools in everything from damp basements to outdoor projects in rainy conditions, and they've maintained their pristine appearance and smooth operation throughout. The precision of the adjustment mechanism sets these wrenches apart from competitors. The smooth, consistent action allows for quick and accurate size adjustments without the backlash or wobble that plagues lesser tools. The strong four-sided jaw design provides secure grip on fasteners, significantly reducing the risk of slipping or rounding off nuts and bolts. Final thought. So there you have it, my comprehensive review of the 7 best adjustable wrenches on the market today. Whether you're a professional tradesperson, a serious DIY enthusiast, or just someone who wants reliable tools for occasional home repairs, there's an option here that will meet your needs and budget. Remember, investing in quality tools pays dividends in performance, durability, and the satisfaction of jobs well done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.